Good morning, traders. I'm Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures. I'm here today to talk about the currencies. We saw yesterday's FOMC minutes pretty much came out is pretty much as expected. And we also look for tapering to end in October. Last tapering would be about 15 billion. What that tells me is that long term, the dollar should theoretically go up. They're probably getting enough room now, or the Fed is going to have enough room to start raising rates probably in Q1 of next year. They're saying that the economy is good enough to where it is. Now, we flip to the other side of the pond and we see what's going on in the ECB and the Eurozone. We have countries like France that are calling for a reduction in the value of the euro currency. That's a boon to the dollar if that happens. If we look back at the elections, we saw a lot of seat changes, a lot of politicians now that want to be part of the EU, but they want more control of what's going on in the EU. They want more say from a state standpoint. So looking at that and looking at what basically gets the best results from a higher euro is just Germany. And then there's a trickle-down effect from there. So we have countries like France now that are calling for weakening of the euro. I think the euro is eventually going to weaken, and I think the dollar will strengthen. So that's going to be a big part of the play next year into the tail end of this year. But I like going long the dollar right now. I like long-term the prospects of the dollar going higher. So if you have any questions, you want to talk a little bit further about that, give me a call. Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.